Greetings from Seoul. I am very excited to go on a street photography mission this afternoon here in Seoul Forest Park, which is where I'm going to start the street photography sesh. The light is just coming down beautifully and I'm going to make my way in and around this area. Today we'll be starting off with the 70-200 on the Canon 5D Mark IV. This is f2.8, beautiful Tamron lens. And then I've also got a 50mm and a 24-70 in the pack as well. So come along with me and let's get started. Oh, I stupidly had these straps on before, and that's what was so inconvenient, so apologies. What the hell is this guy doing? Oh. Hey brother. Nice. Last one.
You have a history?
Yeah. I can give you. If you notice, there's the lights on the ground. That's for people who are on their phone when they're looking down to tell them when they need to start crossing, when that goes green. So pretend like I'm on my phone. Boom. Oh, I need to go. Done. Actually really liking this light. It's crossing just there. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Ooh. I like that motto.